Well, other quantities that you might want to get from an irrigation design drawing, you might want to get the area of grass. That's best done with a tool, measure the area of a closed polyline and label. So provided the polyline is closed, and it's this one here, you can use that tool and it calculates the area. You have an opportunity to nominate metre square, feet square and millimetre square if you so desire. That's just pops a piece of text in with some modifiers to get the metre squared area, and you could, if you wanted to change, say, from metres to uppercase, so now we've got 125 metres square. The other quantity that you might like to get from this drawing is the length of piping. Now this is a magenta line, so if we look in our legend, that's PVC 20mm piping. So if we wanted to find the total area, or total length rather, of PVC, we would say tools, add up the length of polylines. And so it's just a matter of working your way and around and picking. You may notice down in the command area that as we pick each length, the number, the total length, of course, increases. I think I've got all of the magenta lines now, and that's 45,104, so 45.1 metres of 20mm PVC piping is required. If we repeat that polylength command, we can click on that one, and that's a 25mm pipe, I think. Yes, 25mm pipe, and we've got some more polylines in here with a different pipe diameter, and again in this case 7.26 is the length of that particular piping. So you can find the piping lengths quite easily in a gCADPlus drawing.